Is there anybody who should not take sport? Well, is there anybody out there at all that maybe should not use this product?
Yeah, thank you for asking that. This is very important, and especially as a physician, I have an obligation to do no harm. And if there's any potential downsides, it's our responsibility as a great company to highlight this to people so they don't get into trouble. People with low blood pressure may or may not tolerate it. Remember, when you're opening up your blood vessels, you're giving that same volume of fluid more space, so it's possible that your blood pressure can drop a bit. On the other hand, that may be what you want to do. But people with low blood pressure should be cautious taking it. Try a little bit first and see how you feel. It may not bother you at all. It probably won't. But you need to know that. The other thing related to that is that people who are taking blood pressure medications, antihypertensives, particularly the type of antihypertensive that contains things similar to nitric oxide, and your doctors will know, the combination of the two may lead to an overcorrection of your blood pressure. So if you're taking blood pressure medications, most people taking blood pressure medications will have access to a blood pressure monitor. So try a little bit of the sport, see what happens. Again, most people, nothing bad's going to happen, but you do need to show some caution. And always, Doug, I always say this about every supplement, ours and anybody else's. Before you start something new, it's always good to ask your doctor. And the rare thing that you might see with nitric oxide precursors, occasionally, and I've only seen this a few times in the literature, people with certain autoimmune diseases, particularly autoimmune arthritis, might have a flare-up. Most companies that promote nitric oxide supplements never even mention this. We're going to mention it because we are a company that is respectful and overly cautious. And I think it's a good thing to be overly cautious.